Hi, welcome back. Well, we just hit a big milestone in terms of getting addition and subtraction working perfectly, alone with just 6 methods. I don't count these methods here as, um, I don't count them at all. We had to use them because of the huge integer interface. But we got our program working, and I find that awesome. Totally awesome. Now, one of the things that before we move on to multiplication, which is the next step, I wanted to further perfect what we have already, and I realized that we had to debug a couple times. One of the times was for the getString method, and in that it was just a stupid typo, and these are also stupid typos here. I ended up running into trouble with these methods, the set outside methods, because I had copied and pasted the digit character, these set methods at one point, and just replaced the name with outside, and it didn't um, replace all of them. So I shouldn't have to. These methods should be universal. I should be passing them parameters that tell it which character array to set to 0, which length. Instead of these methods being specifically and only for the digit character array or the outside character array. So let's make them more universal. So let's go ahead and just, in fact, I think I'm going to copy and paste. Let me see. I'm trying to think how I'm going to do this, because once I start changing this is going to affect all the others. But might as well make everything angry, because then a big red X will show up next to them and I'll be able to find them easier. So let's have it accept one character array. I'm sorry, my head's a bit lost right now. Let's have it accept one character array parameter. Alright, so let's take that I, stick it there, and the only thing it's modifying is that. And let's see, looks like I only call this from one place, which is from the constructor. So let's have it be correct. And in fact, let me also change the name here. Set character array to 0. This is no longer being specific to digit. Whatever character array I pass it, it's going to change that one. So digit character array, there. And let's see. This is not working. Let's see. Void 3 fixes available. So, oh, yes, of course I changed this part of the name. So there we go. Excellent. Alright. So now let's go ahead and make this one universal. Well, this is already pretty universal, right? A set length of character array, and it takes one string parameter. That's pretty fine. I don't need to change anything there. Oh wait, yes I do. See, this is specifically, I got confused by this. Length of character array is only referring to the length of digit character array, so I need to be passing it again, an integer type variable to define specifically which I want to change. So int let's see, length. Alright, so let's go and take length, and we are going to pass it length of character array here. Alright, that takes care of that one. And let's see, so this is going to take what, this is a set digit character array, so this is going to take the length, a length parameter, int length. And it's also going to take a character array. Oh, looks like I'm already using the variable I somewhere. Where am I using that? Oh, here. As the string. Let me just say car array. I like using I for curve, but I'll sacrifice. Alright, so replace car array with digit character array. Alright, that seems in order. And let me replace that with character array position. Alright, so that seems in order. There's going to be a red X somewhere right here. So we need to pass it the length. We need to pass it the array itself. Let's change it from digit to just set car array. So set car array. This way it's much more universal. Alright, and set sign of character array. Alright, so obviously we're just going to have to pass it to... Oh wait, I just realized this has to return... Does this have to return anything? Yes, this has to return the sign of whatever it's changed to. Yes. So this is going to have to be an int. And you see in the set length, this has to also return an int, now that I think about it. This has to return the length of I. Okay, so it doesn't have to take this length parameter, it just has to return it. And when we call it, you have to just make it equal to length of character array. I get confused because with arrays, whatchamacallit, if you simply say you're going to change it, you don't have to return it. Arrays are pretty funny. I was getting used to the way they operate. Alright, so let's see. Here we're also going to have to return a positive or negative. So let's see. First we have to get a character array. Yeah, and I think that's the only thing we're going to have to take, and this is going to have to return the actual sign. So let me put these on the bottom. And I hope you're watching this in HD, in HD full screen, this way you can see everything I'm doing. So instead of setting the sign of character array, we're just going to return 1, have it return -1. Let's see. Oh, and I'm guessing we'll have a return 1 as a default. Let's see. It has to always be, well, if it's not equal to positive or negative, then it's definitely going to be positive. So it should work out all the same. Let's see. So this has to be past digit character array, and it has to be the sign of character array has to be equal to that. So this seems to be more universal now, setting any type of character array. So that means we can delete this and use these same methods for that. Now I just made a bunch of methods very angry. So let's go ahead and fix them all. Alright, so once I fix this, I'll probably be able to copy and paste it all over the place, because it looks like this for all outside character array. So let me fix this one, pause the video. Okay, let me fix these, pause the video, and I'll show you exactly what I did. Okay, I realized what I have to do. Let me try and get that done in 30 seconds. So here, setting the character array to 0, I have to provide it with the one I want to set to 0, which is outside character array. I have to get rid of the outside word, and now that's happy. Okay, zoomed in. Let's see, outside car array. That seems it's just taking the string variable, and it's returning an int to the length of character array. So I'm out of time, it seems. Unfortunately, we have to see each other in another video. Well, not unfortunately. I hope you're enjoying these.